We're here at the Henson residence for a repairability test. Do a quick little overview. Show that we're at the correct property here. So we have a 3-tab shingle, wind damage 3-tab shingle. The grid surrounding it 1 through 7 will most likely be one of these shingles that get compromised during this repairability test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 5 and 6 overlap. There should be a fastener there, and then as well for your upper fasteners on shingle 7. This is a before. I will remove the shingle. I will do it in progress. Put the shingle back and do a final afterwards to see our outcome. I'll be using 3 components to this repairability test. This is going to be our 45-degree template angle. As of right now, I will put it underneath the shingle that's already been compromised by wind, so we can go off of that. There's your template. We got a roof snake, and then we have our hammer. We will begin with the repairability test for Henson. All right, so there goes the template, and I'm not going down because there's ice on that slope. And it's in the gutter. At least we know what we started out as, the template. Oh. Shingle has been removed. As of right now, I can see some compromising on shingle 6, fracturing, and then looks like some is showing up on shingle 7. This is just the in progress. The shingle once again has been removed. We're gonna move forward with installing the shingle back in its place. side so the shingle does not slide. And then I'll move forward with the other fasteners. Put a couple upper ones up here. Come on. A lot of echoing going on around here. All right, onward. Yeah. There we go, last one. Alrighty. Yep. So I know the template was in there and it fell out and down in the gutter. But I do know after the template came out, I watched my degrees as far as lifting the shingle to do this repair. Gotta get in my pocket, sorry. Yeah, see, that's ice. And all right, so we had a lot of granules come off, so I'm going to re-chalk my areas to see what areas have been compromised during the repairability test. So we got kind of quite a bit going on here. Shingle 6, shingle 7 in the corner of 5, and then we have some edges, and then we'll look underneath for some matting transfer. But I know I'm in the light, so we started out, repaired this shingle 5 and 6 and 7. So here's shingle 6. 100% has been compromised and fractured from this repairability test. Move over to shingle 5 and 6, and we can see up at the corners of 5 and 6 have been compromised. And we will look underneath, since we're here, we'll look underneath the shingle for some matting transfer. And then shingle 7, we have the fracturing at the top. Now, I mentioned earlier, I wasn't able to have my 45-degree angle, but I know for a fact I was watching my degrees going up. We have some fracturing on that other tab on 7. So pretty much all these shingles 5, 6, and 7 have been compromised. 100% compromised from this repairability test. Going back to the lifting of the shingle, I know that I did not go any higher than the 45-degree angle after my template came out. I will be taking still photos after this. I do want to show, where is it? The edges right here and the fastener. So I did the proper install, shingle went back, and we compromised the edges as well. So like I mentioned, there's quite a bit that happened during this repairability test, and 100% of this repairability test failed. Me doing the proper repairability test way. All right, once again, Henson repairability test, shingle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 7. Thank you for your time.